Hi, in this video we'd like to discuss, are miscarriages actually random? So if you have a history of miscarriages, regardless of how many of them that have occurred, or if you have unexplained miscarriages or repeated miscarriages without any success. Now, many doctors that you go see, fertility experts, they may tell you that miscarriages happen randomly. Sometimes it's also natural that these things happen. So the important thing is that you keep trying until you succeed. So this is actually very, very bad advice, because here at Antai Hospital, we've already spent 20 years, up to 25 years, studying miscarriages, treatment, prevention, and diagnosis. And we know that miscarriages are completely not random. They all have specific underlying causes. So miscarriage is actually a disease that can be treated. Now, these doctors will say otherwise is because they do not know what is causing it. Sometimes they will give you certain medication that may or may not work because they themselves are not sure. They cannot guarantee you success, and they will not be responsible for the outcome. But here at Antai Hospital, we offer you money back guarantee. If you do not get better after receiving our treatment, if you do not have a pregnancy after receiving treatment, then we offer you full refund guarantee, because we already understand miscarriages completely, and we understand that their underlying causes are up to 43 different individual causes. All of these have already been tabulated. We know which is the most common one. We know which are the more rarer ones. All of these have their own relevant effective treatment with up to 90 to 95% success rates. Seek help from a specialist like Antai Hospital, then you will receive your desired outcome, which is a healthy pregnancy. So the most common form of a miscarriage is usually due to something very simple in nature. For example, a problem with the uterine shape or size, or if you have an immunological factor that is affecting these pregnancies. These are all easily diagnosed. So Antai Hospital's procedure here is that before you go for any pregnancy, do a full prenatal checkup. Diagnose yourself of any possible factors that can affect your pregnancy and treat them effectively so that you have a healthy pregnancy with no complications. Now, if you have a history of 1 miscarriages or 2 miscarriages, quickly seek treatment, because usually these conditions are more simple in nature. They are more easily treatable. If you have several miscarriages, it's most likely that it has become very complex now. The underlying causes may be several, and diagnosis also can be done, but treatment will be much more holistic, much more comprehensive. We need to treat each factor. So we cannot just treat one factor and then expect you to have a healthy pregnancy. We need to treat all factors at the root cause specifically with expertise and technique, and then a healthy pregnancy can be had. Trust in Antai Hospital in your next pregnancy journey. If you have been having any trouble in conceiving or sustaining a pregnancy, having recurrent miscarriages, get in touch with us today as soon as you can. Set up an online consultation, because we for sure can help you, and we offer you our full assurance with a full refund guarantee.